Alright, so here's the deal. My sisters are in the house sleeping. I set off the fire alarm. Nothing. Twice. Skyla woke up and she wanted to know what was going on. I said, hey, it was a test. That's what happens. But my sisters are inside. They're asleep. Those motherfuckers. Let's go inside. I'm gonna turn this around here. Here it goes. We're going inside.
Ooh, Doug, your muscles are getting so big I can barely wrap my arms around you.
Okay, we're gonna walk inside. We're gonna turn on the light here.
Okay. Enough of the titty dance. Let your sister go to sleep.
I like it.
Sweet dreams.
Good night.
You guys are pussies, and I'm a little disappointed in the pussiness, because we were going to hang out, and tomorrow's the train park, and it's on like Donkey Kong, you fucking bitches. But I love you. It's funny though, because you're so asleep. Has no clue. And then Mindy.
Hey, Tracy, how you doing?
They're camouflaged. You can't see them. And that's that. That's the end of Friday night. Last weekend of Midge is here. And we're going to rage tomorrow. And I'm going to show them this video. And they're going to fucking laugh. Okay. Cut.